Welcome back everyone to another App Tech Guru video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the PowerDirector video editing app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First, you will need to open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on the type of device that you are using. Then just click on the search box and type in PowerDirector to begin your search. Once you find the PowerDirector video editing app, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of PowerDirector on your device. Just wait until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it, or you may also enable the auto open toggle. This will automatically launch the application once the installation is done. Now that the application is opened up, you can get started with importing your media files to start editing your videos right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the PowerDirector video editing app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.